Saturday, you did your hair that perfect way. You wore the pearls your grandma gave to you. The church was up on Cedar Hill, where all the funerals happened too. I didn't know it then, I loved you still. And uh-oh, 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 I love you still. Till your hair turns gray. I should have said the same damn thing to you. But time has passed and you've moved on. You've got a house and fenced-in lawn. It seems like you are well on your way.